Hello! Today we have another block paving driveway. The house has just been rendered, so there's a lot of cement staining and mortar snots all over the place. Didn't sort that out this morning. So yeah, let's have a quick look. Okay, so this is the driveway. There's quite a few weeds and there's quite a bit of moss in between all the joints. Bit of black lichen here and there. Yeah, so it gets a little bit worse over here. It has rained last night, but you can see all the mortar staining, so we're going to be able to get rid of that. Should just be able to remove it with pressure. If not, I'll be able to remove it with chemicals that I carry with me. So yeah, it's a decent sized driveway. It's going to look lovely. Let's get cracking. Okay, so that's this one all cleaned and treated. Just going to wait for it to dry. It's a bit grey up there, so I don't think I'm going to get it all sorted today, but yeah, job's a good one. So I've just nipped back and re-sanded this driveway. I totally forgot to film any of the re-sanding, but yeah, it's come out really, really nice. It looks lovely. That's just the reflection from the sun hitting the window. As an apology, I brought the dog with me, so I'll give you some dog footage. Here she is. Hello. This is the new labourer. Her name's Dot. She's very fussy. But you're not very good at work, are you? Hey? No. So she's got a little space down here, an old raggedy towel, and she's just been watching me work on this. So yeah. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. I'll put some before and after photos at the end here. But yeah, really happy with how it's turned out. And it's a nice little job. Thank you for sticking around and watching this video here. Yeah, really enjoying getting back into making them, so hopefully this will go live later today. Yeah, just wanted to say thanks. And Dot's happy as well. Aren't you, mate? Hey, come here. She's very excited because we've only just got out on a walk. Aren't you, mate? Are you ready?